July of 2022, I had a flood. I had to bring everything out of the bedrooms and stuff and into here. I decided to go through and clean this mess up, and I'm doing time lapse up here. I'm going to do time lapse over in the closet. Anyway, I decided to do an acrylic pour on my floor in the study. I decided to practice in the closet. And so that's the result of this. And I did those baseboards myself the other day. Had to seal the concrete, then did the acrylic pour, and then did the floor. I did the billet, and then put the baseboards back in after we finished them. So anyway, it's time to put everything back in the closet. So that's what I'm doing for my project.